Selective perforation during one round trip. Stepwise ignition of perforating charges. VGS Corporation carries out continuous research on the development of new technologies, processes, and new types of equipment to improve the oil well efficiency of the producing well stock, to restore the non-operating wells, and to perforate additional layers in low-debit wells. Selective perforation technology allows perforating separate productive beds bottom-up selectively using independent electrical impulse during one round trip. Perforation procedure. Gauging tool is made on the first stage. A gauge is run on a wire line to provide free run of perforators into the well. On the second stage, a geophysical tool is run to reference perforation intervals. On the third stage, the assembly from 3 or more perforators of Orion type with 2 independent switching systems are run and positioned against the lowest perforation interval according to the data of a geophysical tool. After positioning of the bottom perforator against the first interval, the first perforator is ignited by an electrical impulse. The first perforator charges open the lower perforation interval. On the next stage, the second perforator is positioned against the second upper perforation interval according to the data of a geophysical tool. The ignition of the second perforator against the next perforation interval is made by electrical impulse from the KU1 switching system. The next perforators for the overlying intervals are positioned and ignited using the preceding operation scheme until the perforating jobs for the entire well have been completed. The used perforation equipment is pulled out of the hole and disassembled. On the next stage, the geophysical tool is run to control perforation intervals. Further servicing is made according to the usual practice. This technology is certified, saves time and money, and is optimal for use.